Welcome to the Botanical Cake Studio Clare de Lune Peony class. With its abundant golden yellow stamen and delicate white petals, this peony is a real favourite of mine. Quicker to make than other peony varieties, but equally as elegant, I will show you my unique techniques for creating paper-thin petals with variation and movement. It's all in the little details. As with all of my online classes, each stage of the process is broken down into easy-to-follow step-by-step videos, from making your own flower paste, forming the carpels, stamen, petals and calyx, and dusting for a realistic finish. I've also included PDF cheat sheets, templates and petal placement guides with links to the tools that I use, and you now have access to a class community where you can ask me any questions, connect with other students or just share your beautiful creations. The class is also accessible from the Zenla app, so you can now access all of my classes and community from your mobile or tablet.